The 2027 Chevrolet Bolt RS is the sporty-inspired top-tier trim level of Chevy's revived compact electric hatchback. It brings back the practical, value-first blueprint of the previous Bolt EUV platform, but injects it with modern styling updates, heavily upgraded tech, and significantly faster charging. Sporty styling and RS trims. The RS trim differentiates itself from the base LT with a distinct aggressive aesthetic. Exterior accents. Features a unique black grille, a sleek black strip above the front bumper, gloss black roof rails, and explicit RS badging. Wheels. Rides on standard 17-inch alloy wheels finished in gloss black. Exclusive color. The eye-catching atomic yellow paint option is exclusive only to the RS trim. Performance and battery technology. While it features aggressive looks, the RS shares the same single motor front-wheel drive powertrain as the rest of the lineup. Power output. Produces 210 horsepower and 169 pound-feet of torque, pushing the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a zippy 6.7 seconds. Battery upgrade. Shifts to a lithium iron phosphate battery chemistry, which improves battery life and safety, allows owners to charge to 100% daily. Range. Offers an EPA estimated 262 miles of range on a full charge. Drastically improved charging. The biggest flaw of older Bolt models was slow, fast charging. The 2027 model completely overrides this. NACS standard. It is GM's first vehicle built with a native NACS charge port, giving you plug-and-play access to the massive Tesla Supercharger network without an adapter. Speed. Supports DC public fast charging up to 150 kilowatts, enabling a 10% to 80% charge in roughly 25 to 26 minutes. Premium cockpit and technology. The interior is completely overhauled with a more premium driver-focused layout. Moving the shifter to the steering column frees up significant storage space in the center console. RS seating. Upgrades to sporty black EVATEC leatherette seats accented by contrast red stitching. The front seats are both heated and ventilated, and the driver's seat features 6-way power adjustments. Dual screens. Comes standard with an 11-inch digital driver gauge cluster and an 11.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. Google built in. The native software handles EV route planning via integrated Google Maps, though note that Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are no longer supported. Driver assistance includes adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist with GM's premium Super Cruise hands-free highway driving system, available as an optional add-on package. RS exterior color palette. Atomic yellow, habanero orange, marinara blue metallic, mosaic black metallic, sterling gray metallic, and summit white. RS interior configuration. Jet black with red stitching. The cabin exclusively features dark jet black EVATEC premium leatherette seating. This is paired with vibrant sport-inspired contrast red stitching across the seats, steering wheel, and dashboard elements to tie the RS theme together. Ambient lighting customization. While the upholstery color is fixed, you can inject more color into the cabin using the vehicle's standard multicolor ambient interior lighting system. This allows you to change the accent lighting colors across the dash and doors via the 11.3-inch touchscreen menu. The base MSRP for the 2027 Chevrolet Bolt RS starts at $32,995. This price excludes the standard destination freight charge, typically around $1,195 to $1,395, taxes, title, and dealer fees. Cost of premium options and packages. If you want to add optional features to the RS trim, the factory pricing increases as follows. Atomic yellow paint, $395. Super Cruise package, $3,255. And OnStar 1 with Super Cruise, the 8-year extension, $3,000. A fully optional all-in Bolt RS tops out at $35,685 before destination charges. Incentives and tax credits. Because it uses a U.S. built platform and compliant battery materials, the 2027 Bolt is expected to qualify for the full $7,500 federal EV tax credit, which point of sale dealerships can apply directly at checkout to lower your out-of-pocket costs. Additionally, Chevrolet often offers extra localized incentives, such as $1,000 to $1,250 off for active Costco members.